The train station in Giardini Naxos is one of the most beautiful train stations in the world. It was built to connect the area with Messina Harbour and was opened for the public 12th December 1866. It's in early Gothic style, and the train station has been part of 2 movies at least. Godfather movie, part 3, and also The Big Blue. Construction in Sicily has always been quite interesting, different kind of shapes, some places really ugly, beautiful buildings abandoned, and some facades and some buildings are not completed at all. We have arrived to the Church of St. Mary Immacolata, also called San Giovanni, opened October 1963. And when tourists didn't know where to meet me, I said always, let's meet by the church with the hideous rusty roof. The inn has only 2 roads, beachside, bars, restaurants, inside all necessary, and very cute passages between. On the north side you have stone beaches. It's also called Naxos from the Greek word. And more south you find Giardini, let's say more newer buildings, and sandy beaches. So there you have it, Giardini Naxos. Naxos written in Greek, because Naxos was the first Greek colony in Sicily, founded 739 before Christ. And this takes us to the Nike statue made by Carmelo Mendola, opened November 1965 to remember the connection between 2 Greek cities, Giardini Naxos and Caldice Eubea. It's turned towards the sea to salute the sailors and victory.